Okay, Lionel, what's for lunch?
Today I'm cooking Singapore laksa, which is derived from Nyonya laksa.
Oh, what's the difference?
The difference is Singapore laksa is more gritty and doesn't contain sea ham or cucumbers. Nyonya laksa has sea ham and cucumbers.
Oh, no sea ham. I like
No
sea
sea
ham.
ham. My ham. Okay, as you can see, last week we talked about Penang laksa, right? Singapore laksa contains more shallots, fresh red chilies, lemongrass, Galangal, and Tumeric. And not forgetting the most important thing, candlenuts.
The dry shrimp?
Dry shrimp, oh yes, not forgetting this, so important. Dry shrimp. This is the one that makes it has a gritty texture. So now I'm going to blend all this, I'm going to make the rempah. Oh, so nice. Shallots goes inside, lemongrass, it's very important. Lemongrass is the one that creates a smell. Okay, candlenuts, blend, alright? A handful of this. When you blend, you need to pulse it. Oh my god, so powerful. Alright, and we are done. Heat up my pan. Alright, can you see? It's smooth, the paste. Be hot before you fry. Now you see. You see this? You see the bubbling? And scrape all these flavors out.
Okay, so how long do we fry it for?
30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
It's going to take some time. Why? You need to get rid of all the water content, and then after you get the remaining one. Okay. But anyway, this is the color that you want. Brown, nice, fragrant. I wish you all can smell this right now. It smells like laksa. Okay, right now I'm going to make the prawn stock.
So you got the dried shrimp flavor here.
Correct.
And then you got a fresh shrimp flavor in the stock.
Yes, correct. Okay, now I'm going to fry this. This is like making prawn bisque but Chinese style. So it's going to be on high heat. I want to get them dry and toasted. So what I add inside, I like to add in 2 lemongrass. Okay. So lemongrass goes inside. I'm going to fry this. Alright, so we're done. Can you see? You smell it, right?
Yeah, it smells good.
Okay, so this is about 1 liter of chicken stock. So this one goes in. Oh yeah, so nice. 40 minutes later, I'm going to strain out the prawn heads. Oh my god, the beauty of this is so nice. Alright, deglaze. Then I'm just going to pour it back. Oh yeah. So there is a certain brand of coconut milk that I always use. So this is my favorite brand. I use this a lot, even my nasi lemak. Can you see it's really this color, right?
Yeah.
It's pour it. And actually for me, right, I like to add a bit of laksa leaf inside.
Now?
Just a bit.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm getting this water boiling to get ready to suck my noodle.
Suck the noodle. Okay.
Suck my noodle, but before that, I suck my prawn first. Alright, I'm gonna plunge them in. Blanch.
More prawns for me.
Alright, check out my prawns. I want to blanch the bean sprout. Blanch a bit of the fish cake. Singapore laksa uses a spoon to eat, never a chopsticks. So what you do is gonna break it up. Okay, just gonna break it up. Alright. Okay, prawns, bean sprouts, a lot of fish cake, and not forgetting eggs. I think I make this better than.
Then, say it.
I think I made this better than my house hawker center one.
I challenge you.
Come. Laksa leaf. A lot of it.
Simple but not that simple.
Singapore laksa. So simple. Subscribe to Forecast more. It's fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Lionel.
And cut.
Cut!